and today I'm back with a new product that's in the market, which is the MTR Badam Milk Mix. This is a Badam drink mix from MTR, and this is a very multi-purpose mix which can be used to make multiple things. You can make Badam milk with it, you can make Badam pista kulfis with it, you can make desserts with it, Badam desserts with it. So it's a multi-mix here, multi-purpose mix from MTR, and today we are going to review this product. So guys, let's start off with the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged in a nice bottle here, a nice bottle shaped jar here, and right here you can see the MTR branding, and then there's a pure vegetarian symbol right here. Then the name of the product, which is Badam drink mix, mentioned right here, which says it's a multi-purpose mix which makes desserts too. So here they have shown that real badam, elaichi and kesar are used in this powder. And right here they have shown the illustration of the badam drink mix. Here is the badam drink made here. There are the kulfis, here are some burfis. And then they have shown the badam, kesar and elaichi right here in a plate. For the recipes, scan the QR code on the side. So you just need to scan this code and you will have the recipes to make multiple amazing desserts from this badam mix. Another amazing thing here is basically you can see the badam mix powder right from here. You can see it. There is a transparent line given here through which you can actually see the badam mix inside. Coming on the back side of the bottle, again we have the MTR branding, the badam mix, name here badam drink mix. Make yummy beverages and desserts. MTR badam mix. Just add 3 teaspoons of MTR badam mix to a glass of milk, to a cup of cold milk or hot milk, and you will have the badam drink mix will be ready. You can make MTR badam kulfi. All you need to do is grind 50 grams cashew nut with 50 ml milk. Mix 180 grams of MTR badam drink mix with 300 ml of milk. Boil until it thickens. Pour into kulfi molds and freeze. Once mixture cools and serve. Once set, make 16 to 80 kulfis. So it can make 16 to 80 kulfis. How amazing is that? Coming to the net quantity of the product is 500 grams, and MRP for the same is rupees 250. So the MRP of the MTR badam drink mix is rupees 250 for 500 grams. Here is the nutrition facts mentioned of the product. It provides you 30 to 35 glasses of badam milk. Under the nutritional facts, every 100 gram serving provides for 382 calories, protein 4.8 grams of protein, 80 grams of carbohydrate, of which 76 grams of sugar. Dietary fiber is 1.1 gram, total fats of 4.8 grams, of which saturated fats is 0.4 grams, trans fat is 0, sodium is 53 milligrams. So yes guys, this is all the information available on the product. I just can't wait to prepare this mix and try it on. So before that, I'm going to open the jar and show you. So it does come, it's a twist to open cap, and then there's a seal here. So the product is completely sealed. We'll have to tear it open. I'll quickly just tear it open. And here is the badam mix powder inside. So it has a nice fragrance of badam, kesar and elaichi, a strong flavor of elaichi coming from it. So it has a strong flavor of elaichi. You can actually see badam powder in it, and there's elaichi as well. Pieces of elaichi is there. Strands of kesar is also there in it. So this badam mix powder looks actually nice. So I can't wait to try it on. So let's go and prepare some badam milk and try it on. So friends, let's go ahead and make the badam milk. So here I have a cup of milk, and to which we are going to add the MTR badam drink mix. So let's see how much do we need to add first of all. So here I have a teaspoon, and to make badam milk it says add 15 grams, that is 3 teaspoons of MTR badam mix to 1 cup of hot or cold milk. So I have cold milk here, and to this I'm going to add 3 teaspoons, which will be equal to 15 grams of the badam mix. So here we go. This is 1 teaspoon here, Here goes the second teaspoon. And here is the third one. So we have added 3 teaspoons of the badam mix powder to the milk, and we are just going to mix it up right now. So you can see I'm mixing it up right now. And the fragrance is really nice. I like the aroma of it. It has an elaichi aroma to it. Hasn't got a yellowish color that I was expecting it to have. The color of the milk is still white. I don't know if I've taken more milk, but color of the milk is still white. And it's not yellow like they have shown on the pack. Like I was expecting it to look like this yellow, but the milk that I have is still looking white after mixing the mix as well. So I hope the taste is good. I'll just mix it a bit more. Maybe I need to add more badam mix powder maybe to this. Anyways, let's go and do a taste test. So this is a taste test of the MTR badam milk using the MTR badam mix. It tastes very nice. It tastes just like the badam milk flavored Amul Cool that you get. The taste is similar. It has given a nice taste to the milk. And there are pieces of badam in it, like there are actual pieces of badam. You can see this. There are fine pieces of badam in it, and elaichi as well. Which gives it a nice flavor. So overall, I like the taste of the product. The taste is amazing. I'm sure the kulfi made out of this will taste amazing as well. Because the badam milk is tasty. And it has bits of almond in it. Which is adding to the taste. So overall, I'll give the MTR badam mix a 5 on 5 for its amazing taste, its amazing packaging, and the amazing value it adds. Like this half kg pack can make you 30 to 35 serving of the badam milk, which is very nice for the price of 250. Because if you go to buy one Amul Cool, that will cost you rupees 30, and this is costing you 250, which can make up to 30 to 35 glasses of badam milk. Which is amazing. Like mix 180 grams. If you use 180 grams of this to make kulfi, it will make you 16 to 18 kulfis. How good is that? So this is an amazing product. I really like the taste of it. Today I tried the badam milk of it. One day I'm going to surely do the kulfi and try it out, and I'm going to make a video on that. So stay tuned for that. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.